Hi guys! Today I'm here with Berkeley and we're gonna do another alphabet scavenger hunt, but today it's a little different. We're at a baseball field, right? All right, come with us and we'll find our A, B, C, and D letters. Ready? Let's go! Let's find the A, find the A, find the A. Ooh, what's this? A! Here's the letter A. What does A say? Ant. Ant. Let's find B. Let's go. Where's B? Whoa! What is that? A bee! Wow! Look, let's show our friends. B. B, ready? B, 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 B. B, 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 B. Bug. Bug starts with B, doesn't it? C, let's find C. Which way should we go? Let's find C. Oh, where is the C? Oh, where is the C? There it is. Let's go. Oh boy.
C.
What?
C.
A C. Look at our C. What does C say?
Whoa.
Whoa. C says k, k. Ready?
Okay.
Cat.
Okay.
Cat. Cat starts with the letter C. Okay, we have one more letter to find.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's cool. Here's monkey.
Okay.
Airplane. Yeah. Let's find the D. Ready? Where is the D? Where is the D? Where is the D? D, 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 D. There. D. Oh. We found the D! Yay! What sound does D make? D. 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 Dog! Yay! Berkeley, let's go back and get all the letters together. One more time. Let's find A. Yeah! Where's the A? Here's the A. What does A say again? Right. Nope, we gotta find beef next. B, 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 B. Good job. Yay, a B. Here's a B. B, 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 B. Boy starts with B. Let's find C. Oh, you're so fast. I bet you can find C before Mommy does. Wow, wait, it's a C. Here's our C. K, 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 cat. D. D, D. What letter does it say? D, 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 dog. Wow, we had so much fun with you today. Bye, friends. Say bye. Wait, bye. Say bye.
Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you liked our videos, and we'll see you next time.